Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm 𝗤𝗨𝗂𝗄𝐻𝗁𝗲𝗏, a student of DCCS in Nafi from Afghanistan. I have some problems with my Discord. I put message to different time to the support team. Still, I couldn't solve my problem. And Discord, that's one thing. And the other thing that I have finished most of my lessons in DCCS, but not completed. I want to, once I requested from your side that if it's possible, in Nafi, extend my class, because I'm very back from my class due to my departure from Pakistan to Afghanistan. But still, I couldn't get any response from your team. However, I put to the 𝗤𝗨𝗂𝗄𝐻𝗁𝗲 the message, but I have not get any response from them that whether they are helping me or not. This is
So what
my
kind of help are you looking for? Are you looking for some kind of financial assistance? What are you looking for?
no, just my classes will be going to finish in 29 January. Just
Okay.
to extend my class, whether for a month or for two.
So you're
Because
looking for financial assistance too, because otherwise you have to pay, right, for the DCCS. Normally we don't do that because you only are giving access to the time that you have paid for, and you have to complete everything within that time frame. Are you registered for the EduQual exam as well?
not yet.
Not yet. I mean, you're already losing a lot of time. Brother, we don't do that normally. Everyone needs to follow the same process.
Mhm.
If we start doing all of, like, if you're studying at a university, right?
Okay.
And you have to and you paid the fee, and then you say next month your fee is expiring and everything is done, and you say, can you please extend that? Would the university do that for you?
Sir, once I asked this from you and requested from your side, you said that we will help you.
We will help you wherever we can, right? So in
Mhm.
this special circumstances, since you're coming from Afghanistan, are you still there right now?
No, I'm in Pakistan.
Oh, so when are you going back?
I'm not going back. I'm a refugee here.
Oh, refugee here. Okay.
Yes.
In that case, I think that you can ask for the refund, extension. 𝗤𝗨𝗂𝗏𝗧, can you give him 2 months extension, please? If he
Yeah,
just
actually I discussed with him, and he said because he had problem with internet, and he has wasted some time from Afghanistan or something crossing the border or whatever. So normally we don't do it because everybody is asking for some sort of break or some sort of course freeze,
we
and
just need,
that way
we
they will
have to
lose a Razzaq program simply. That's the problem. So that's why we force them to complete it in time, because it is in their favor to get on a job. Losing 2 months is equal to losing 2 months salary in the future as well, if they think it correctly. But that's the problem, they don't realize it.
The thing is, like, if we keep on creating these concessions for everyone, it does create lots of problems. I mean, you are 𝗤𝗨𝗂𝗄𝐻𝗁𝗲𝗏, you are here, then someone else will come and they will ask for the same thing, right? 𝗤𝗨𝗂𝗏𝗏, give him a month, give him at least a month. But so that be
Oh.
it, like next time if anyone comes, I'm just going to tell them, go and talk to the support, and they are responsible for that. And you will just follow the policies as given to you, right? Since he's coming from Afghanistan and he's a refugee, right? If he can prove his refugee status and he can send all of the documentation to you, give him a month's time. An
All
extra
right.
month.
So I'm writing my email address in the chat. Okay. Can you do it on my email, because WhatsApp, through WhatsApp we cannot go through the approval system. So it has to be email, right? I'm writing it down, Mr. Fayyazi. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. And should I admit for 𝐒𝐿 right now?
You don't have a lot of time left. Like, you have to register for the EduQual as soon as possible.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, thank you. I will do.